Hi everyone and welcome back to Cashflow Lab, the place where we explore smart ways to make money and grow your financial freedom. This is part 3 of our series on free AI tools that can help you earn more this year. If you're looking for practical, no-cost resources that can turn your skills into income, you're in the right spot. Today I'll share 4 powerful AI tools, all with generous free plans that can help you plan, create, edit, and sell digital products or services. And at the end, I'll show you how to combine them into a single workflow that saves time and actually makes money. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. We live in a time when artificial intelligence can automate tasks that used to take hours, and you no longer need a big budget to benefit from it. Whether you want to build a side hustle, launch a creative service, or simply add a new income stream, free AI tools can help you start today with zero upfront cost. Let's break down 4 of the best options and how they fit together. First up is Notion AI, a powerful productivity platform with built-in AI assistance. Notion AI can brainstorm content ideas, outline blog posts, draft newsletters, or even create detailed project plans. You can sell Notion templates, write articles for clients, or use it to organize an online course. Think of it as your creative partner and project manager rolled into one, perfect for anyone who wants to turn knowledge into income. Next is Runway, an AI video and image creation platform. Its free tier lets you generate eye-catching videos, remove backgrounds, upscale footage, and even create short clips from text prompts. Content creators use Runway to make professional social media videos, digital ads, or stock footage to sell on creative marketplaces. With just a few clicks, you can produce visuals that once required expensive software and hours of editing. Our third tool is Canva Magic Studio, which includes Magic Design and Magic Write. These AI features help you instantly create graphics, slide decks, social posts, and marketing materials. Design beautiful templates you can sell on Etsy or Fiverr, or offer social media content packages to small businesses. Because Canva is browser-based and beginner-friendly, you can start designing and selling in minutes with no need for complex software. The fourth tool is Descript, a game-changing audio and video editor. Descript automatically transcribes your recordings and lets you edit video simply by editing the text of the transcript. You can remove filler words, correct mistakes, and even clone your own voice for small fixes, all on the free plan. Freelancers use Descript to create podcasts, polish YouTube videos, or offer fast editing services to clients, turning simple audio editing into a profitable side business. Now let's connect the dots. Imagine you're launching a paid online workshop. Use Notion AI to brainstorm lessons and create the course outline. Design promotional graphics in Canva. Produce an intro or promo clip with Runway. Finally, edit the recorded sessions seamlessly with Descript. This workflow turns free tools into a complete production pipeline, allowing you to deliver professional content and charge for it without expensive software or a large team. Here's how to get started. Pick one service you can offer: content writing, video creation, or course design. Set up free accounts on all 4 tools. Spend a weekend creating a small portfolio piece using the full workflow. Within days, you'll have a professional demo you can share with potential clients or list on freelance platforms. These for free AI tools: Notion AI, Runway, Canva Magic Studio, and Descript give you everything you need to plan, create, and sell digital products or services. Start experimenting with them today and see how quickly you can turn creativity into income. Tell me in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe to Cashflow Lab for more strategies to earn, save, and grow your money with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.